Hello everyone, this is Sumit Kumar and in this video I am going to talk about आज जो ISI का एग्ज़ाम हुआ है 20 सितंबर 2020 में उसके संबंध में। आज PhD M.Math सबका एग्ज़ाम था, तो मेरे पास अभी चूँकि PhD के क्वेश्चन पेपर मुझे मिले हैं और किसी स्टूडेंट ने मुझे भेजे, तो मैं उस संबंध में आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा, एनालिसिस देना चाहूँगा कि क्वेश्चन पेपर कैसा था। सो हमने जितने भी इसके जिन्होंने भी बच्चों ने क्वेश्चन भेजा है, ट्रस्ट मी, क्वेश्चन वाज वेरी इजी दिस ईयर कंपेरेटिवली टू लास्ट ईयर. Question paper were very easy. Why I am saying this is very easy? Let me tell you by one example. The simple question they have asked this time that suppose what you can say about the group C star and R2 का स्टार है ना, R2 में जो यूनिट्स हैं और C में जो यूनिट्स हैं. Consider R2 and C as a ring and look at their units. Are they isomorphic as a group? This was the question they have asked. I mean what you can expect. इससे आसान कोई क्वेश्चन ग्रुप थ्योरी में नहीं हो सकता. I mean ग्रुप थ्योरी बोलो, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट अलजेब्रा बोलो, whatever. Then they have asked R and C. Are these two groups are isomorphic with respect to plus? I mean this again. Then they have asked the ring theoretic question, that's consider the ring in three variables x, y, z, the polynomial ring and the ideal generated by something, and they are asking prove that this is UFD. Again there is a simple way to prove certain ring is UFD or not, and there is a there is a standard process. If you know this, you are easily can do this question. And अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ा होगा तब फिर क्वेश्चन इसको बनाने में दिक्कत होगा. फिर इसके बाद अगेन सबसे आसान क्वेश्चन आप देखिए. फिर पूछा गया कि अगर आपके पास कोई फील्ड है ना, कोई फाइनाइट फील्ड है जिसमें q एलिमेंट्स है एंड n इज़ अ नेचुरल नंबर, देन कंप्यूट द ऑर्डर ऑफ SLNF. तो SLNF का स्पेशल लीनियर ग्रुप का ऑर्डर आपको कंप्यूट करना है, जहाँ n क्रॉस n मैट्रिसेस दिए हुए हैं और उसके एंट्री किसी पार्टिकुलर फील्ड्स आ रहे हैं जिस फील्ड में q एलिमेंट्स है. एंड दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट. अगेन there are many ways to prove this. First you can prove by GLN and then homomorphism, something like that. You can do this question very easily. Then there is again a very easy question. B is a vector space over C, T is a polynomial, then invertible, write T inverse in terms of T. Second still. Then one question is V is a finite dimensional vector space over C or R, and T is idempotent operator, means T square equal to T. Prove that this is possible if and only if rank of T plus rank of I minus T equal to dimension of B. You can go via this diagonalization process or everything, you will get that result. So this is the question. Hilbert space, dimension of the Hilbert space is at least 1, then 2 vectors they have given you orthogonal to each other, then some operator they have defined, and then they are asking prove that T is a bounded linear operator. Still it is a routine work problem to say certain operator is bounded or not. Then there is a discrete random variable question, and then one number theory question that was very interesting. They have given that if n and m are integers such that 5 divides 1 plus 2n square plus 3m square, so that 5 divides n square minus 1. Use the congruence class relation, you will get that result. So again this is a straightforward question. Again one question from like BSc, अगर आपने JAM का एग्ज़ाम दिया होगा आपको ये सब क्वेश्चन मिले होंगे. 1 + 1/2 + 1/n माइनस लॉग n का प्रूफ करने का लिमिट एग्जिस्ट करता है और बोल रहा है कि इसका लिमिट क्या होगा वो इवेलुएट करो. क्या बोलूँ मैं. फिर एक इंटरमीडिएट वैल्यू थ्योरम क्वेश्चन का था कि f अगर क्लोज इंटरवल a b से r के बीच में कंटिन्यूस है, यू हैव n नंबर्स इन द रेंज सेट, प्रूव दैट देयर एग्जिस्ट अ वैल्यू x in the domain such that fx equal to their arithmetic mean. Again use the intermediate value theorem. Then again a differential equation question is again still problem, y prime equal to y alpha and y of x naught equal to y naught. So this is existence uniqueness solution. Apply that, you will get that result. One through related to the graph, and they saying the function is continuous if and only if graph is closed, and this is given on the matrix space. These are certain, one should study some matrix spaces. There are something you can learn, that is this question. एंड वन अगेन क्वेश्चन इन मेजर थ्योरी, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इफ़ आपने अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी थ्योरी पढ़ा होगा वहाँ पे भी आपको ये सारी चीज़ें मिली होंगी। अगर आप मेज़र उसमें पढ़ रहे होंगे प्रोबेबिलिटी मेजर, तो दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन, मेजर ऑफ एफ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू एन लेस देन इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल ऑफ एफ एंड लेस देन इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ एफ ग्रेटर देन 1 एन फ्रॉम 1 to infinity, so something like that. And again you can go through its standard result. And then from complex complex function there is one question, if f is entire and limiting value mod z tends to infinity, fz by s equal to 0, prove that f is constant. Use that estimate. What do you mean by a function has limit 0 at infinity? So fz by z has limit 0 at infinity, so it has bound. Use that and then use the Levallois theorem, whatever you want to prove. Use that, you will get the result. Okay. So this was the at all, I mean overall, except 2-3 question, I mean, so this is 10 question here and 10 question that section. 2 question in each section was, I mean, I can still say that was again easy, but you have to think, I mean moderate level, let me say that. But among 10 question, 8 questions were very easy. Very easy in the sense that was straightforward question. If you know the concept, you know the answer. If you don't know the concept, then might be you are not able to answer. But if you are writing ISI and that means you are serious about mathematics, then I hope you have written all the question, I mean this answer correctly. But even though if somehow कहीं कुछ problem हो गया होगा, don't worry. I mean this is not the only exam. There are next after 1 month or 2 months there's a net exam and then GATE, TFR, everything, जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं. So this was the question paper analysis. So I think this year जो question paper था वो last year के comparison में relatively easy था and some of the question were very straightforward. And I hope आपका एग्ज़ाम बहुत अच्छा गया होगा. और किसी कारणवश अगर आपका एग्ज़ाम अच्छा नहीं गया होगा तो यहीं पे हताश नहीं होना है. आगे और एग्ज़ाम अच्छे हैं आने वाले हैं जिसको आप बहुत अच्छे से दे सकते हैं और प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड फिर हम लोग मिलते हैं बहुत ही जल्द. कुछ ही दिनों में मैं एक नए बैच का अनाउंसमेंट करूँगा. देन फिर हम लोग मिलते हैं बहुत ही जल्द. ओके, टिल देन एंजॉय मैथमेटिक्स. सी यू सून. ओके, टेक केयर.